Welcome back here with us on Times Now. Ladies and gentlemen, just days ahead of Asia's biggest air show, the Karnataka government's decision has cooked up a storm. The Bengaluru civic body has imposed a 26-day ban on the sale of meat within 13-kilometer radius. Now, this ban is going to be in place from 23rd of January till 17th of February. Bengaluru's civic body believes that non-veg food littered in public places attracts many scavenging birds, especially kites, which can cause mid-air accidents. But the hotel lobby is up in arms, calling this decision unscientific. It states that the ban would impact more than 5,000 establishments, including small and medium-sized restaurants, bars, pubs and luxury hotels. The Bengaluru Hotels Association argues that the hotels already have proper daily garbage disposal system that is quite effective in preventing any kind of accumulation of food waste that might attract birds. Listen in to this war of words that has now erupted.
We have had a series of meetings with the authorities, concerned authorities from the Air Force, and based on their request, what are the probable things on the precautionary side we should take. Those precautions are being taken. Now, based on their inputs only, this decision has been taken, and I think everyone should understand that when the Aero Show is going to happen there, for those many particular days, if this ban persists, and if everything, what you can say, goes smoothly, I think that is very little price which one can assume we are paying.
In the last year air show also, they have notified same notification of banning all non-veg food in that area. But after our request and explained about the garbage clearance properly, they have removed that notification. Hope this time also they will consider our request. We have already sent a request letter to BBMP Commissioner. Very shortly they will consider, they may consider our request. Hope they will do the needful.
But viewers, the Congress party and its allies are not on the same page regarding the ban. The National Conference claims that the decision is unfair, while the Congress party claims the decision is taken keeping safety and security in mind.
बदकिस्मती है कि यूपी के अंदर ये बहुत सी बीमारियां इस तरह फैलने वाली हैं, तो किसी भी स्टेज के ऊपर इसको रोका जाना चाहिए. इस तरह का प्रोपेगेंडा गलत है और ये मुल्क को नुकसान करेगा. पहली चीज यह है कि वो खरीदने वाली की चॉइस है कि वो किसको खरीदता है, हराम को खरीदता है या हलाल को खरीदता है, ये उसकी चॉइस है. उसमें तुषार मेहता का सर्टिफिकेट नहीं चाहिए. अलबत्ता यह है कि बाहर के मुल्कों के अंदर जो प्रोडक्ट चलता है उसकी अपनी डेफिनेशन है, तो उसको उनमें उनको क्या प्रॉब्लम है. और फिर अगर वो यह है तो बाकी चीज़ों को भी देखना चाहिए, बाकी कम्युनिटीज़ को भी देखना चाहिए. एक कम्युनिटी को टारगेट क्यों किया जाता है? वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट.
Certainly, safety is also important, business is also important. If it is hampering the safety, rather parade of or exercises of aeroplanes, and then of course a midway has to be found that both go side by side, and our interest is not jeopardized, whether it's the interest of business or interest of our safety or defense for that matter. And of course, if the government of India has done like this, then of course there must be reasons for it, and the people should be informed about the reason.
Even BJP MLC Ravi Kumar favors the ban. He says the ban has been imposed in a particular area and not in the entire state. Listen in.
ये क्या बयान लगाया तो सीधा सीधा सोच कर ही बैन करते हैं. पूरा स्टेट में नहीं बैन किया, पूरा सिटी में बैन नहीं किया, वो पर्टिकुलर एरिया में बैन किया. इसके बारे में क्यों विरोध करना, ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है. ये ठीक नहीं है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी इसको स्वागत करते हैं.
So you heard, viewers, the war of words that has now erupted, and this is all ahead of the Aero Show, which is Asia's biggest air show. And ahead of that, the Karnataka government has decided, the Bengaluru civic body, in fact, has imposed a 26-day ban on the sale of meat within a 13-kilometer radius. The Hotel Association clearly is unhappy with this ban by Bengaluru civic body, which actually says that hotels already have proper garbage disposal system. It has quite an effective system that prevents any kind of accumulation of food waste, etc. And hence it will not attract birds. And they are questioning this kind of a decision that has been taken. Bengaluru civic body, however, believes that non-veg food littered in public places attracts many birds, especially kites, which can cause mid-air accidents. Let's now move